What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're hanging out at Jaime's house today. Going to be working on his little bug. He's got motor problems and two of his motors. So we're gonna work on this one today. You've probably seen this one before. He's doing little changes to it. Little stuff. So we're gonna drink coffee and work on cars today. Here we go. Look who it is.
What's up, John?
So we got tired of playing with the one in the actual car and decided to play with the one that came out of the car. So we're gonna tear this one apart. It's got a bad head, I think, and now it's got some water in there and needs some freshening up. So we're gonna.
But I don't like it. It needs to go this way.
I'm having a good day today. I just get to watch. I don't have to do any actual work, so I'm gonna make them do it. See how fast they can get it torn down. Got a lot of candy on this motor. It's nice.
Sleeping out there. Yeah. It's
Oh, the brand new garage.
put it by
No, here, put the towel. Sprung a leak.
I didn't know you had those valve covers on there. The right there? Somebody was living in there.
Yeah, that's what happens when you leave your motor sitting on the ground.
Yeah. So what's up?
Next to
it's got
next to a bird.
no. Oh, is it next to the bird?
Yeah, but the rat got the bird food.
Yeah, exactly.
And then brings it in here and makes a nice little snack place.
Yep.
Very cool. So we're all done working on car parts, and now we're in the backyard in the shade eating just food. That grill is like full of meat and there's all kinds of guacamole and chips and beverages. We're just partying now. It's the Old Volks birthday party. 5 years. As of yesterday, 5 years. We've been a club, the Texas chapter, so celebration. We'll just do this for a little while and then it'll get dark and then we'll go home. Yay! Okay, we're done. Car drives, motor's taken apart, all the meat's gone, and most of the beer's gone. It's looking like nasty weather. We gotta drive that way into the horrible darkness. So we're gonna put some Rain-X on the windows and cross our fingers and hope for the best. Good time?
Yes, thank you for coming.
Great time?
Yeah.
Sean came down all the way from Canada.
Almost. It's pretty far north.
So that's it. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, buy a shirt or 2 or 3 or 4 hoodies. It's getting cold. Get yourself a hoodie. Sean needs to put a pool at his new house, so we need that money from the hoodies. And thanks for watching. Because bus life, we don't have wipers that are working, they're just for show. This is our Rain-X. There we go. Perfect.